Wanna move my feet, wanna drip on one. Wanna move my feet, wanna drip on one. Wanna move my feet, wanna drip on one. Wanna move my feet, wanna drip on one.
I started the day at 4 something, and now it's 3:44. So I'm gonna stop for food and change, and I'm gonna head back to the
Sorry
hotel.
for waiting.
Well, it's not 5 minutes yet. I need to stop for food.
Food?
Yeah, but when I'm closer to the hotel.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Alright, I made it back to the hotel. I don't know that it's off, but I forgot the number. Because I got a SIM card when I was at the airport, but I forgot the number and I don't know how to find it. So I'm gonna just call the front desk and ask them to help me up because I need to order some food. Yeah, so I'm gonna order food, I'm gonna eat the food, I'm gonna take a shower, and I'm gonna edit. Finally start editing. Anyway, so it's very early, like freaking 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. Yeah, might as well relax, you know, because I got up at 3:30 this morning. Can you imagine? But today was a very productive day. I really enjoyed it, and then tomorrow's gonna be even better. So I'm gonna go to the waterfalls. I can't remember the name of these places, so I'm gonna go to the waterfalls. I'm gonna go to Bali Zoo. There's this animal that is only in Bali. It's like a version of monkey, and I'm gonna maybe ride the elephant. I want to feed the elephant. I'm gonna do ATV. So I'm gonna have like 3 outfits tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm really excited for that. But anyways, for now I'm gonna just order food, take a shower, and just try and be productive. I need to be on top of my game, and I need to utilize the time that I have now to do all of these things, because your girl is gonna be jobless soon, and your girl don't know what she's gonna do, but you know, in God I trust. So I know that everything is gonna work, but I'm not worried at all. I want to build my YouTube so that I can, you know, have that to fall back on. But either way, I'm gonna be blessed. I'm gonna be okay. Anyways, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is day number 2 in Bali, and it is beach day today. Should I wear this hat or this one? So I'm staring towards this one because I feel like this one gives it a more pop. Anyway, so the driver is running late, which is good for me because I get more time to get ready and pack my bag, because we're doing 4 things today. We're going to this waterfalls, and then we're going to Bali Zoo, which is what I'm gonna do. Go chill with the elephants and whatever other animals are there, and I'm gonna also do ATV. I'm gonna be riding the bike today. And when I come back home, I need to do laundry because I haven't done laundry. This is my 3rd country and I've been carrying my laundry. This is so gross. It's not like I had any other choice, because now that I'm in Bali, I have a lot more time to do whatever I want to do. But in the other countries, it was like every day, going out, coming in late, and all of that. I want you to teach me your language.
Oh, my language.
Yes.
There are 2 different languages we use here. So it is Bahasa Indonesia. And then Balinese language. Indonesian language and Balinese language is totally different.
Oh.
Yeah, it's totally different, which is when you say thank you in Indonesian language, it will be terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Can you repeat it?
Terima kasih. Terima kasih.
It is thank you in Indonesian language. And then in Balinese language, you say thank you for suksma.
Suksma. Suksma.
Yeah, it is thank you in Balinese language. People in Bali, we understand Indonesian language and Balinese language. We can speak them both. But people outside Bali, like Java Island, people other part of Indonesia, they cannot understand Balinese language.
Oh, okay.
So they understand Indonesian language, but they don't understand Balinese language because it is totally different.
So in schools, which language do you guys use?
In school,
Yeah.
for officially we use the Balinese language to
Oh.
our friends, to our teacher, but we have a lesson for Indonesian language.
Okay, so everyone here can speak both?
Everyone in
Okay.
Bali can speak both,
Okay.
like Balinese language and Indonesian language. For Indonesia, our national language, it is the Indonesian language.
Okay.
That's why we understand that, and then we understand the Balinese language as our local people over here.
I see. So how do you say hello?
Balinese language, you say swasti astu.
Swasti
Astu.
Astu.
Yeah. So
Swastiastu. I'm not gonna remember this.
Swastiastu, it is for you greet someone, and for
Swastiastu.
Indonesian language, you just say hello.
Okay.
Yeah, like
I'll stick
normal.
to hello.
So I'm gonna ask you, what is thank you in Balinese language?
Oh my god.
Okay,
Oh.
the short one. Suk, suksma.
Suksma.
Yeah, it is the thank you in Balinese.
Okay, what is nasi? Because everywhere I go, I see the name nasi, but they have nasi goreng with other things. So what is it? This is food, by the way.
So nasi goreng. Nasi goreng is a fried rice with a melted egg, like a fried egg. When you open the egg, it will be melted for the yellow things, and it's really nice. They put like meat, like pork or chicken on the nasi goreng. Also, you put bit vegetables and then the Balinese spices, and then you can have it in spicy or the normal one, not spicy one. So it's really nice. You have to try that. The nasi.
Yeah, I've tried it.
Oh, you tried it?
Yeah, nasi goreng. So
It's
I've
really
had
nice,
it.
right?
Yeah, it is. It's like rice with vegetables. They have many different types.
Yeah,
I think.
they have like they put, it's the same nasi goreng, but they put another things, like maybe they put chicken satay. Like the chicken satay is the small pieces of meat of chicken they hit with a bamboo stick.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's called chicken satay.
Oh, I had that too.
You had that?
Yeah, so they put just 3 pieces of small chicken
Yeah,
on a
2
stick.
piece. For the sauces, they can put like peanut sauces on the chicken satay.
I made it to the waterfalls, guys. I'm gonna go get my tickets. By the way, guys, every attraction that you go to here in Bali, you gotta pay. This would be nice to take a picture. Right here would be nice to take a picture.
Are you really starving?
Yes, because I haven't eaten any breakfast yet. I need 10. But I can wait for like an hour or 2. So next Bali Zoo.
Oh, okay.
Alright guys, so I'm at Bali Zoo and I am about to go look for the shuttle bus that will take me to where the elephants are, because I'm gonna ride the elephants. Oh, look at deer! Wow. Reminds me of Japan. Kangaroo! Wow. Hello. Alright. Let's see. I'm looking for the buffalo. What does buffalo even look like? Of course I know buffalo, but I don't remember how they look. I'm on my own, guys, because the tour guide could not enter. Only me could enter. Hey, morning.
The elephant ride?
Yes.
What time do you get the elephant?
11:40.
There.
Okay.
Take the shuttle bus. It will take you to the elephant ride.
Alright, thank you very much. Ooh, nice. So I am at the top of the shuttle bus. Wow, the bear looks so lonely. Think I'm from?
What?
Where do you think? Take a guess. What do you think?
I don't know.
Really?
Yeah.
No guess?
No.
I'm from Jamaica.
What?
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah. Do you know Jamaica?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
What is your name?
Sash.
Earth.
What is your name?
My name is Olan.
Olan.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Olan.
Thank you, sweetheart.
The elephants like water. Okay. Huh?
Get close.
Yes, I ate that first.
You can put in the mouth.
Oh.
In the tank, slowly.
Good work. Yeah. Do it.
Speak a few left so I can take photos.
Okay, oh, you want more? Hold on.
Don't be scared.
I am scared.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight cause I am falling.
Bye, Tina. Bye. 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 Hi.
That I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be.
I got some pictures which I just showed you guys, and I'm gonna go walk around the zoo some more to look at the other animals that they have here, and then I'm gonna head back to the tour guide. I'm gonna go to look for the tiger. We eat hands and fingers, okay? I know. They were saying that I could feed the tiger. I don't want to feed no tiger. Okay, I feel like I'm playing with my life right here. Hey, tiger. It's over there sleeping. Sorry, but I'm not going any closer. Call me paranoid. I've watched too many movies, so I'm not going over there. I think I'm done. I have my life ahead of me. I got my family to see. I think that's it. That's it for me and the tigers. Got one life to live. You know, I live dangerously sometimes, but I know when to live dangerously. And an animal that is locked up, like seeing a chocolate melanin woman right here, and be like, oh, she looks so delicious. I'm gonna head back to the shuttle bus. But the elephant ride was very bumpy. I don't like it at all. Right, I'm going on the shuttle bus over there. I'm hungry as hell. So hungry. I've never seen a kangaroo in real life. We are so tiny. So I'm at the ATV place and I'm deciding to eat first because I'm hungry.
This is an ATV ride here in Bali.
Okay, so front brake. Right?
Front brake?
The front brake and the back brake. Yeah.
Okay.
This is starter. Stay start.
Okay.
Okay. Fast. Do it faster. Faster. Yeah, like that. Yeah, chill. Yeah, like that.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams.
So there are 3 big monkey forests here in Bali. The first one 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤 monkey forest, the second one Ubud monkey forest, this one Ubud, and the last one Uluwatu monkey forest. Ubud monkey forest has the nicest monkey in Bali.
When you say nice, you mean they're not aggressive, like they won't
Not
bite you?
aggressive, they won't bite you. They're not naughty. The difference is in Uluwatu monkey forest, the monkey is aggressive, naughty. They will take everything from you, like your stuff, like your glasses, maybe your bag or your everything. And if you want it back, you have to give something to the monkey.
Oh, it's like a trade.
Like a barter. And they're really smart, naughty, pretty similar to the movie War of the Planet Apes.
Oh.
Yeah. Just don't make eye contact to the monkey for too long. It means fighting.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So no eye contact.
Yeah. And then you can just make a picture like this also with the monkey. Selfie with the
Oh,
monkey.
they can. So they will. The monkey will.
There's a staff over there. The staff will help you to make a picture like this. There's a trick to do this picture. The staff over here, only they can do that. But they already knowing each other for a long time. That's why. So they can help you with this picture. And then please make this picture, okay?
I'll try to.
Yeah. Don't worry, they will not bite you as long as you don't watch their eyes. The monkey drink Coca-Cola over here. I've seen it like, I think it was a week ago. Monkey drink Coca-Cola and then like, it's really funny for the monkey here. They are not aggressive as that.
Okay.
In Uluwatu.
This thing is that is scary though. Well, I'm by myself. Well, I have a group of people in front of me. I'm with nobody that I know. So I am in the monkey forest and I'm gonna be looking for some monkeys. The guy said don't make eye contact for too long. Wow. So many entrance. In here is dark. Why? This in here is so dark. Okay, what is he doing? Guys, my camera battery died. Can you imagine? And I charged it last night, but I've been using it all day, so that could be the reason. I need to get a backup battery. Anyways guys, so I just saw a couple that I met in Singapore. Like, I've been seeing people, like I saw a couple that I met in Malaysia as well. It's like, have you seen people that I've seen before in other countries? That's so cool. Anyways, I'm gonna head back because there's literally not much to see than just forest, trees, monkeys, noise, people. What the hell? What the hell? Do you guys hear that? Is that fighting? What the hell is going on? Wow. That sounds like some monkeys fighting or something. They say don't make eye contact. I ain't making no eye contact. There's a dog right there. Wow. You know, I'm really glad that the monkeys here are the small ones, not the big scary ones. And as you guys heard, the tour guide did say that this monkey forest is a lot better than the other two. So there are 3 of them. So that is a plus. I'm here by myself. Oh, there's some people behind me, but not too near. Wait, where am I going? I thought that this way would have been the way back. How do I exit? People! Yay!
Wanna move my feet, wanna jump on one. Wanna move my feet, wanna jump on one. Wanna move my feet, wanna jump on one. Wanna move my feet.